Howdy, you guys. I'm here to teach you how to play a cool game called Balloon Ride. So I put a scan of this in our documents, and if you can't print it out, then I'll show you how you can be creative and problem solve that. But this is based on an ancient Chinese game called MIM, and it's a strategy game. So what you're going to need is 10 toothpicks. And if you don't have toothpicks, I'll show you how to work around that. But the basic thing of the story is that there's a balloon ride for the person who is the last one to pick up either one or two toothpicks. And the toothpicks are holding the balloon to the ground. Yeah. So I'm going to start off, instead of with 10, I'm just going to start off with a smaller number so it's easier to show you. So it's a two-person game, and the rule is you can take turns picking up either one or two toothpicks at a time. You can't skip turns. So I'll say, do you want to go first? Yeah, I'll go first. Okay. So I have to pick up some toothpicks. I can pick up one or two, and I have to decide which. I guess I'm going to pick up two. Okay, so the next person goes, and they have to decide, are they going to pick up one or two toothpicks? And remember, the point of the game is to be the last one that picks one up. So I have to think, what happens if I pick up one toothpick? What happens if I pick up two? I guess I'll pick up one. Okay, now it's the other person's turn. All right, which do you want to do? Do you want to pick up two or one? If I pick up one, then that other person, they might pick up those two, or they might leave me one. I don't know. If I pick up two, then they'll for sure get the last one. So I'm going to pick up one. Okay, so now it's the other person's turn. Okay, what are they going to do? Are they going to pick up two, or are they going to pick up one? Well, probably they're going to pick up two. Guess what? They won the balloon ride. So player two won that time. So you play like that, and you lay out 10 toothpicks, and you have to decide, kind of keep an eye on the pattern and try to figure out what the best strategy is to win the balloon ride, to be the last one that picks up a toothpick. So like I said, if you can't print this out, or you don't have toothpicks, then guess what? We can work with that. So you can get a piece of paper, a dry erase board, and you can draw your balloon. Ain't that fancy? And then you can put your 10 pieces of rope right there that are holding the balloon to the ground, and you can play like that. So, it doesn't have to be anything super special. So, again, the first person would go, and they have to decide if they're going to pick up two or one. And then it's the next person's turn. Are they going to pick up two or one? And it's the other person's turn. What are they going to do? See, like that. And then once you think you have a good strategy, then there's a document in our classroom that talks about more ideas. So if you think you found a way to win, then you can try to use a bigger number of objects, maybe 12 or 19. And it would be interesting to think about odd numbers and even numbers. And then you can leave me some notes and see if you can figure out the formula for winning. You can also, if you want to, change the number of objects that can be picked up. So you can make a new rule. You can say you can only pick up one, or you can only pick up two, or you can only pick up three. And then the last variation you can try is that you can change the rules so that the person who has to pick up the last object is the loser instead of the winner. So I hope this is fun. The point of this is to get people to start thinking about subtraction and building number sense, and start thinking about strategy. So I hope you have fun. Maybe we can play sometime. Thanks. Bye-bye.